Guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are going to plan out the month of September. We are almost there, so I figured we should get our plans laid out because it does approach quickly. So this kit is from Simoly Smith Stickers. I have the sidebar here, some appointment labels. She did add these little bigger boxes for appointment labels, and then this is the main theme. It is just beautiful. I was kind of teeter-tottering on whether getting this for September or October because you can change the months, but this is like my vibe, and my birthday is in September, so these colors just fit so well. And of course the extra spaces and some more appointment labels. So I am going to lay this out and then we will get into the planning. Alright, so that is how the base of the kit laid out. I did lay down the numbers, and then over here is just my workouts that I do during the week, and then I am going to put birthdays in over there. I will do that right now if I can find my pen. I think this is the one that works. Maybe, yes. Alright, so my cousin's birthday is on the 1st. And then my birthday is on the 14th. And then my friend on the 16th. My sister's boyfriend is on the 24th. And then my cousin's is on the 25th. Alright, so that is done for there. And then we are just going to do these. So I really like that there's no little gap. So I do like those for when there is a time, but I do like the bigger one of these. But I am going to use these little ones. So Kaysen has a meet at 5 on the 2nd. So this is going to be 5 o'clock. I'm just going to put CC meet. I was going to put little shoes on there, but now I'm looking like they're a little too big, so that's fine. So cross country meet for Kaysen. There is no school on the 5th because I apologize for my kids. They are home and they are loud. So it's Labor Day on the 5th. And that means that there is no school, but actually I'm going to put this up here. Mackenzie does start gymnastics on the 5th. So I'm going to put a little label for her. And I have labels coming from Simoly Smith Stickers, and I don't know exactly what time, so I'm just going to leave those blank. So it's going to look a little funky not being finished, but it's fine. At least I know I have something there. And then on the 9th, Kason has, I think I might do all of his meets in this color. So we've never done cross country before, so I don't even know what to expect. Like his first practice was this week, and I was like, can we stay? And she's like, you want to stay and watch them run? I was like, it's new for me, I don't know. So that was funny. All right, and then on the 10th, Kason has a soccer game, and I'm going to use these bigger boxes here. Ooh, if I can lay it down straight, that'd be great. Probably not ever. And then I do have this little game day from Simoly Smith Stickers, and his game is at 10:15. I really like those. I like how big they are. And then on the 12th, it's going to be gymnastics again. Like so. And then on the 14th, my daughter is going on a field trip to the apple orchard. So I will try to not lay it down crooked. It's never going to happen, guys. Never, ever, ever. It would probably be okay if I lined it up with the bottom, but I kind of like bigger ones to be like right in the middle so I know. Sorry if my head's in frame. And then we have field trip. Like I said, I'm going to try to get off so I can go to that. It's the apple orchard. It's always a fun time. That little field trip is from Simoly Smith Stickers as well. And then we have another game on the 17th. Like so. And that is at 10:15 as well. Mark that off. And then we have gymnastics again. And then on the 21st, we have another meet. Right? 21st. No, that wouldn't be right. It would be on the 23rd. I think they're only, maybe not. Nope. I think this one's home. That's why it's during the week. These two we actually have to drive. So cross country, I should have wrote this before. At 5. And then on the 21st as well, my daughter has pictures. I didn't pull a script. I will have to do that because I need to remember that. Let me grab this real quick. Towards the back. There's one. So this is her little mixed school sheet. If you haven't seen it, obviously I use them. I have like 6 in here, but it has just school events on it. So that's a really good thing to have if you have kiddos in school. So picture day here. Mark that off. And then Kason has a game at 11:30, which this year they want him, so he's a fast kid, hence why he's in cross country. He loves to run, like that's what he likes to do. And this year he wants to play goalie. So I'm a little nervous because the rest of his team is not as skilled. I don't know. I don't want to be mean, but you can tell when kids have played before and they haven't. And this is his 3rd year. So he knows what he's doing. He knows, you know, what to do, when to do it, and where to do it. But so I don't know. I'm a little nervous about that, but it'll be fun. He always has a fun time. And then again, I don't know why my camera stopped recording, but I did put gymnastics in here and then the cross country meet here as well. And then I did add this little pumpkin from her freebies. I don't even remember what I was saying. I talked for like 5 more minutes before I realized my phone was not recording. But this is the shop freebie. If you say my name in the notes section, you get this. And then this is her shop freebie. Obviously, there will be an apple there, but it is super cute. I am going to go with this kit here for October or November, I think, because she made a whole kit out of it. It's super cute. But again, this kit is from Simply Smith Stickers. I hope you guys have a great month. Plan ahead, get everything in order as much as we can, right? Bye, guys.